It's just amazing. Mind-blowing. I can't believe it. Hey guys, Mr. Hino here with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. And what has just blown me away is just the way the robotics community has I don't know, just time after time again, the robotics community has just come together. And from the time I started where somebody donated me my first Lego League table to now, and this is just the story. So if you guys remember my last video that I did in California, I was basically packing everything up, saying goodbye to robotics for that moment, and basically saying all of my EV3 things were gone away. Coming here to Tennessee, everything has been Spike Prime, and I guess I just really missed having the EV3. And then along comes Kyle. Thank you so much, Kyle. I can't even put into words my gratitude, but basically, long story short, Kyle said, "Hey, Mr. Hino, I love your videos, and I'd like to donate to you my EV3 kit." And I was just like, mind blown, can't believe it. Are you really serious? And then shipped it to me, no charge, no cost, nothing. I just, again, couldn't believe it. And then again, just the robotics community saying, you know what, just love what you're doing. And that's what I love about this channel, is just that everybody is just feeding off, becoming better, just becoming more knowledgeable, and just enjoying the ride, this robotics journey ride that we're on. And so today I just want to take time to say thank you, Kyle. I just really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And just to let you know, what's in this kit, what did I get, which makes me excited because now I'm able to do Spike Prime things, but now I have the EV3 back. So, I can do some EV3 things. For those of you that are still hanging on to the EV3, it's just an amazing product. And what's really cool, looking into the future, I've already been speaking to a person that's connected with a company that's making a Spike Prime and EV3 converter adapter, which will allow you guys to run EV3 motors and sensors off of a Spike Prime hub. And so what's really cool is being involved with that. They reached out to me and saying, Mr. Hino, could you, take a look at this product? And I'm like, well, I don't have any EV3 equipment, until Kyle came along. And so right now the project is on hold. They're just kind of fine-tuning everything. And they're basically saying, we'll get it to you as soon as we're ready. And so I'm excited because I have the Spike Prime and the EV3 ready to test this product out. But today it's all about just letting you see what Kyle sent me, and I'm excited to just get things rolling. Right now, I think my biggest commodity is time. I wish I had the time. I'm so busy planning for my classes right now that it takes me away from robotics. But today I just want to show you everything that Kyle sent me, and I'm excited for it. So let's hit it. So this is what Kyle sent me. It's so cool. I mean, look at that. Some expansion things, expansion tires. I was thinking, Kyle, maybe you can let me know. I was seeing some of like Into Orbit things, I think I remember these colors from Into Orbit. I definitely remember that from Into Orbit. Remember those? Those of you that do first Lego League, there is the EV3 brick. So it's really cool, Kyle, some of these package things that you sent me. I mean, some of this stuff you cannot find, just in regular kits. The regular EV3 tires. Have our charger here. Ultrasonic sensor. Look at that. Cool. I love those black rims. All right. We got motors. And Kyle, you were saying how, hey, Mr. don't thank me until the motors all work. So let's test it out here. We'll put this into here. Man, it's been so long since I've been on this motor control. Yep, we got power, Kyle. That motor works. Let's check this other one out. Man, this takes me back. There we go. So we definitely got power. See these motors? And then just look at all this, man. Kyle, amazing. Medium motor. More expansion tires. Gyro. More, I love these wheels. Oh, no way. Another large motor. So I got 3 large motors. All these picture frames. There you go, Kyle, into orbit. I have just, I love these. And I love it when you go to first Lego League challenges and they give you these, because it's just brings back all the great memories. I love these. Yeah, look at all those. Can never get enough of those. There's definitely into orbit. Another EV3 tire, cut sensor. Yep, definitely into orbit. Ooh, love that. So Kyle, just amazing, man. Just picturing all the fun. Some more tires. Yeah. I love all these pieces. Gears. There's our expansion J-beams. I just love all these pieces that you just can't find in a regular EV3 kit, you know? I love that you sent me all these into orbit pieces, Kyle. I'll probably have to definitely get a tray to organize all these pieces. But man, that's the easy part. The cool part is just being reunited with the EV3 and just being able now to continue to make cool projects. Because, you know, every time I'd go to the store, I'd be looking around. What can I do with the robot? You know, bouncy balls, silly putty, anything to, you know, do something with robots. Not that you can't do that with the Spike Prime, but with the EV3, it just felt like, I don't know. So Kyle, thank you so much again. Really appreciate your generosity and being able to, you know, just send that to me. I mean, you know, you can go easily have sold that for lots of money, and I'm going to pay it forward. Definitely when I get the time to do more projects to just inspire, encourage those that are in robotics to just keep, you know, being creative, you know, just work hard to learn, program, build, problem solve. It's all good. So everybody, there you go. I finally have the EV3. So when I get contacted with this company on being able to, you know, be able to use the Spike Prime hub with EV3 parts, because, you know, some of you don't want to get rid of these EV3 parts. If you can utilize them with the Spike Prime, we're golden. So I'll get back to you once that company gets back to me and we can work something out. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again, Kyle, for all your generosity in giving me this EV3 kit. I am Mr. Hino, and I am out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.